Hi guys, we have an unboxing to do today. I'm so happy. You can tell by the look on my face. I have been anticipating to get an iPad and I finally got one. So I want to unbox it with you guys. So first of all, the first thing we need to unbox is the Pencil Pro. This is an Apple Pencil Pro for my iPad. Don't know if you guys can see it. So we are going to be unboxing this. So let's start from here. I hope this camera doesn't play with me. So yeah, start from here. Okay, just remove this now. Open from here. Oh my God. Please do not mind any background noise. I'm in the hotel room doing this unboxing. So I can't wait to get home. I have to do it immediately. So yeah, this is the manual and this is the, oh my God, it's so heavy, guys. It's so heavy. This is the pencil for my iPad. And what does it come with? Nothing. Oh my God, just the pencil, no charger, nothing. I think you have to charge this with your iPad. So, like I said, here is the manual. You know, we Africans, let's say, I won't say Africans, we don't read manual, okay? We don't read. We know how these things works. We don't need manual to tell us how to operate them because we already know how it's done. Okay, so as for this pencil, this Apple Pencil, guys, is so heavy. So it has this plastic wrap around it. I think I need a case for this. I need to get a case for this pencil and also get the pencil. Yeah, and also get a pencil cover for the tip. I need a case and a pencil cover. So this is how the pencil is looking. Let me hold it like this. Like this. You see, this is how it's looking. So let's set this aside. And guess what? Guess the next thing will be unboxing. My iPad, guys. Oh my God. So yeah. Ta-da! So this is my latest baby right now. It's no longer my camera. My DJI camera was my baby before, but this is my latest baby right now. The iPad Pro M4, 1 TB Wi-Fi only. So let's unbox this. I was supposed to put this on top of what is it called? Table so that you guys can, I'll set my camera so you guys can see the unboxing. I don't know how I'm going to unbox this for you guys, but let's just try and do so. Okay, let's see if this will work. Okay, let me bring this and see if it will work. Okay, this is my camera bag. Will it work? I don't think so. I don't think so. Let me bring another thing so that you guys can see the whole thing. So yeah, let me put this like this. Okay, now you guys can see what I'm doing. So first of all, we need to open it from this place. We need to open it from this place, guys. Okay, let's put this here. Okay, it's not sticking. So now this is the other side. So yeah, like this. And I'm so happy, guys. Ah! Guys, look at it. Look at it, guys. Let me remove it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is 30 inches iPad Pro M4 Wi-Fi only. Guys, it's so big. It comes with my God, the cord is different. You guys see, the cord is different from iPhone cord. This is a type C, the new iPhone charger, the cord. And also it comes like this. I think I need an adapter for this to be able to charge. So this is how the charger head is looking like. You can see, I just pray you guys can see clearly because the lightning here is so poor. I just pray it come out nice. So yeah, this is the cord. So yeah, this is the only thing it comes with, guys. You see, nothing else. There is nothing else inside this box apart from the charger and the cord. And it also comes with the manual. Like I said before, we don't read manual. Okay, we know how to do everything. We don't read manual. So this is the manual. This is how the manual is looking. Oh my god, everything is well packaged. This is the first time I'm owning an iPad, guys. The first time. My last tab was Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. That is what I was using. I bought that 2020 during COVID. I don't know if it is 2020, but it was during COVID I bought it. So yeah, guys, now we now have an iPad. Let me open it for you guys. Oh my god, I don't know if I'm doing this unboxing correctly, but just manage it. So just going to open from here, and mind you, I'm going to be keeping the carton, keeping everything. This is how I do my stuff. My iPhone 13 Pro Max, the carton, everything is still intact. So in case I want to resell, although I don't resell my gadgets. So yeah, this is how this is looking, my baby. So we are going to on it right now. Oh my god, it's so sleek. I bought gray. It's so sleek, guys. It's so sleek. This is how it's looking. And now my editing is going to be perfect. I promise you guys, it's going, because normally I use my phone to edit and the screen is so small. So reason why I have to like keep on saving to be able to get this. Since I finally own an iPad, my editing is going to be mwah. I promise you guys that. So now let's turn it on. Okay, the power button is on top. You know what? Let me do this so that you guys can see when it's turned on. Hola, hola, guys. Did you see this? So yeah, I think we have come to the end of this unboxing. So now I didn't get the case for this iPad, which I will be doing. I think I'm going to order it from an Instagram vendor. I saw beautiful cases for my iPad Pro. Okay, I saw a lot of beautiful cases. So yeah, I'm just going to, let's see if this will work. And the pencil, like the pen is so heavy. So now first of all, we need to set it up. How are we going to do it? Okay, English. This one is not working. We are going to set it to English. It's so sleek. Select your country region. Should I select? Let me go back and end this. I hope you enjoy this video like I do enjoy making it. And please do ensure to hit on that subscribe icon if you haven't subscribed. Click on that post notification to keep you updated to see more of this video. I love unboxing, guys. I love unboxing gadgets. I love unboxing, like, I just love unboxing and I love shopping. Okay, so yeah, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please, like I said, do not forget to hit that subscribe icon. Click on that post notification to keep you updated. Like, share, and comment. See you on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and remain safe. So I'm going to be setting this like the iPad later. So yeah, I won't be including it. If I can, I will. But if I cannot, I won't. Okay. So yeah, bye.